no be power, no be might. Now your hand they lead my life. Everywhere I go now, now your favor they speak loud. You carry